Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new makeup transformation of something really cool and adorable of Raven from Teen Titans Go to the Movies. What it's like to be regular teenagers when they're not out saving the world. If you have not heard of Teen Titans, I have been loving these magical superheroes since I was younger, and it's so cool to see them out in theaters. And this video is sponsored by Warner Brothers. They paid me to make this for you guys. You should definitely check out the links in the description of this video to see Teen Titans in theaters and more about the awesome movie. Out in theaters on July 27th. So let's get started with the makeup transformation. First of all, to turn into Raven, you could definitely wear a costume, but today I am wearing a sleeveless top because I'm gonna body paint on the jewel in her costume just to make it more interesting. It'll be fun to paint. And I'm definitely going to put on a wig cap today because Raven has beautiful purple hair and unfortunately I can't grow purple hair. And then we're going to start painting her face. I got some gray aqua paint. To start layering that on my face, you want to do about 2 layers of paint. Make sure it's not too streaky. If you feel like it is getting too streaky, you could definitely use a damp beauty sponge. And make sure it is completely dry. Just don't burn your face with a hair dryer. Put it on like a cooler setting. And once your face paint is dry, we are gonna get some setting powder. I got this gray tone powder from one of my contour kits with a large powder puff to set that makeup. This is gonna give the aqua paint more even tone so that there won't be any streak marks on your face. I even got some white powder, or you can use white eyeshadow to set the highest points of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and maybe your chin. Then I got a beautiful bright pink blush and put that on her cheeks. It's gonna show up so cutely with her gray tone of skin. You want Raven to look blushing, but not like she has a sunburn. And now it's time to paint on Raven's jewel on her forehead. She has this beautiful red diamond. I just painted it in with some red aqua paint, or you could definitely use lipstick. That's easier to purchase than aqua paints, or you probably already have it on hand. You also want to make sure to outline this red diamond with some black aqua paint or definitely some black eyeliner, whether it be gel liner, liquid liner, pencil, any type. As long as it's outlined, and I'm definitely filling in the red with some lipstick to make it pop more bright. Now it is time to put on Raven's beauty makeup. I got some gray tone matte eyeshadow with a blending brush. And I'm blending that into the creases of her eyes, and I'm also going to use that to contour her nose. You could definitely skip this step. You don't need to have your nose contoured if you're turning into Raven. But I decided to take this gray eyeshadow and put it on my bottom lash line as well, getting a different brush to really put more definition in her crease. Then I'm getting some setting spray with a darker, more sparkly gray eyeshadow to deepen in the creases of the eyeshadow. Once you have enough of the shimmery, darker gray on your eyelids, to your liking, you could get a matte black eyeshadow and just dust that on the lower lash line and on the upper part of your eyes as well to make it fade into a smoked out beautiful eye makeup look, making sure it blends nicely into the crease. Then I'm just getting a black eyeliner pencil. This is totally optional, but I'm putting it in my waterline and as a top eyeliner as well. Once your eye look is smoking and popping, we are gonna get a brow color. With an angled brush, I got a brow color that's not exactly jet black. It is like one shade lighter. It's a darker brunette color as my base. With an angled brush to do these beautiful, they remind me of a genie type eyebrow. Swirling eyebrow because Raven is known for her expression and showing it on her face. So we're doing these beautiful designed eyebrows and then going in with a different angled brush and a totally different color of a jet black cream paint. On top of those brows, the 2 different colors will make it look like real brow hairs with the angled brush, then just painted on Sharpie eyebrows that will not look as cute as these ones hopefully do. Now I'm just getting a purple lipstick that's in a lavender color on my lips before getting this beautiful sparkly blue tone topper lipstick. I feel like if Raven was wearing a lip color, it would definitely look like this. Even though Raven has a dark sense of humor and she's a little gloomy, we're gonna brighten up her face with some highlighter powder. We're using a white tone pearl-like highlighter on our cheekbones, the brow bone, the tip of our nose, the cupid's bow, chin, the bridge of our nose as well, and we cannot forget those inner corners to brighten up our eyes, and you can put some a little bit near the jewel. I even got some white cream paint and put that on the diamond on our forehead. And now if you don't have Raven's outfit, it is time to paint it on. I am getting a yellow aqua paint. I know this is a very odd technique, but I got the lid of my aqua paint to make a perfect circle on my chest, just like the jewel on Raven's outfit. With that yellow aqua paint, we're just outlining the jewel. And then getting red aqua paint to paint in that huge ruby red circle she has on her chest. Then getting some black aqua paint to paint on her shirt. She has a shirt that's almost like a half turtleneck. It doesn't go all the way up her neck, but about halfway. You could do 2 or 3 layers of this black aqua paint to make it very pigmented. I got some black eyeshadow that's completely matte to do the shadow on that jewel to make it look more realistic, and some white cream paint to tap on to make a highlight mark. To top off this look, I got some bright shimmery sparkly eyeshadow. I feel like she needed it. Before curling my eyelashes and prepping it for some fake eyelashes that is totally optional as well, I'm putting some mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going to get some fake eyelashes with some lash glue, plop those on my face. Then I did one last layer of black aqua paint on my shirt before getting this gold amazing liquid to paint the outer edge of that red jewel on our outfit. Now it is time to put on Raven's hair. I got this beautiful purple wig online and had a full head of bangs, but I cut it into the shape of Raven's widow's peak. This color of hair is so beautiful and gorgeous, especially on Raven. And now we're just gonna put on Raven's cape or whatever costume you have of hers. And now we are completely done with our makeup transformation of Raven from Teen Titans Go to the Movies. I hope you guys check out the movie this summer in theaters. Again, this video was sponsored by Warner Brothers. Thank you so much to them for this opportunity and paying me to make this. This was so much fun to turn into Raven. Leave me a comment down below on what is your favorite Teen Titans character. I would love to hear it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup look as much as you may be watching the Teen Titans Go. And remember, you guys could check out the links in the description box of this video to see when Teen Titans Go will be out. In the trailers, it looks so cute. I can't wait to see it. You can definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to see more makeup transformation videos like this in the future. And I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!